Hey everyone, welcome back to my workbench. I had a little bit of a delay because I had I wanted to work on a Atari 5200 controller. As my last video was about that one, investigating some interesting things. So that is off my workbench, and in the meantime I get back to this little guy. This Tiger Gamecom board. It's just taking a lot longer than I thought. I've spent a bit of time on this system, but anyway, I haven't given up yet. So what I'm going to do is this. If I can get the programmer to talk to it, that'd be fantastic. And that's step one. And I'd like to make up one more breakout board so I can see, investigate the signals a little better. So that'll be another day, not today. So my biggest concern is that the RAM chip, sorry, the EEPROM chip in there is just so isolated, but it can't be because it's got to be readable. But as of figuring out the pinout, it's going to be the hardest part. And then on top of that, in the wings, it inspired me to investigate the 5200 controls a little bit more. I've had some requests for adding potentiometers on there. I also want to look into, because right now it's a pure digital control, I was thinking of adding some capacitance in that circuit just to kind of emulate the lag of a of the original control joystick. So I got my 5200 hooked back up to my workbench. It's actually on my right by my feet right now, actually. So once this Tiger is done, I'll go look into the 5200 controller again. At least have a pure digital controller that can act like an analog, maybe, so it doesn't have those wild swings in it. So yeah, I'm not sure yet. But now that I got my 5200 by my feet again, I can easily, instead of being in my family room in the basement, it allows me to more easily investigate. I know there's, I think, one other company out there that's making a true analog controller, which is great for them. I mean, I'm glad I'm not the only one working on this. But for me, just the cost of making an analog controller is so prohibitive. So at least I can get a digital one to act like an analog without wild swings. That would be a big help. I think that would make it a nice compromise there. So just going through and soldering right now. Wow, it's been a busy week at work. A COVID shot on Monday. I was out of work on Tuesday, so of course the amount of work you have to do never changes. Testing a bunch of parts. I did have one of my co-worker friends from the other facility on the East Coast sent me off this neat old Pocket PC. So Windows Mobile? No, Pocket PC. Whatever the one that came after Windows CE, but before Windows Mobile. Running on it. Since this heavy ass PDA thing. The only issue I see is I think the batteries are dead, or they don't hold much charge anymore, so maybe I'll retrofit that when I get a chance. Straight wire. So I also got the video capture set back up for the 5200. Actually, for all analog systems, so it works pretty well. Let's see, I'm gonna switch scenes here. Yeah, up in the corner. I can capture use my HDMI capture card. Though my 5200's signal's a bit noisy, so I'm gonna have to go in and see what's up with that, man. A lot noisier than it used to be, so something changed. Okay, come on. Alright. Oh boy. Alright, so this is going to go here, this is going to go here, this is going to go here. Oh, goodness gracious, and that's going to go there. Or do I flip things around? Maybe this here, this here. Let's see. If I go this to bottom row here, this to bottom row here, and then this to top row here, and this to top row here, and that would work, I think. I just have to remark where all these wires are going. So left one's top row, top row. That might actually make it easier when I'm wired up on the top one too. Okay. So now let's go with the bottommost first. And wiggle these wires around, see if I have anything loose. Years ago, still here at my head, a good mechanical connection, the good electrical connection starts with a good mechanical connection. That was my first boss, and when I was just a lab technician. So you're just supposed to pull on the joints to see if they come apart, because if they fall apart, it means they're not strong enough. See how long I need to strip these. So what I'm going to do is they're going to pass through here. They have to come off the helping hand because I'm going to flip this over a lot of times. It's going to come up here. It'd probably be easier if I had a custom board built, but oh well. That. Pass that through. Good electrical connection starts with a good mechanical connection. It's like, thanks, Tom. That was his name. Is his name. Still alive, as far as I know. He's not that much older. Alright, I'm not going to bore you all with soldering 120 solder joints. That is just not good viewing. So, I'm going to keep working on this, but I'm not going to bore you all with this. It's just tedium at this point. So yeah, I'm just going to go through and solder. So yeah. All right, getting a little slap happy, and everyone have a great night.